tragic expose for the masses. My city glory, touch to the sky. Are you lonely? Fuck with the police slowly. Yes, I know you. Shot to the smile, I adore you. Skip to the moon, I'll show you. Let's go finding 1, 2, 3, 4 hiding. Please show me the way to Zion. There be lions, tigers, bears in the science. Let's split the atom in defiance. Major 24 karat gold lasers, Alpha Omega. I need 40 mules in an acre. Confused like 2 left shoes. Like a man in jail, I got to make moves. Never had a clue, so I never knew the rules. Parker Lewis can't lose. Follow tomorrow, grasp on the heels of Apollo. Ride that wave to the cosmos higher. TEC battle spires. Call me a liar, yes, the roof is on. Follow tomorrow, grasp on the heels of Apollo. Ride that wave to the cosmos higher. TEC battle spires. Call me a liar, yes, the roof is on fire. So, give me some love and then I glow. Everybody wants to get a ticket to the show, but goddamn, everybody just can't get. We all on the list, we all gon' skip the line. Life is hell, I'm on the grind. Everyday Clyde Graham, site star sign. Running out of time, they got to pay the fine. We about to go live. Follow tomorrow, grasp on the heels of Apollo. Ride that wave to the cosmos higher. TEC battle spires. Call me a liar, yes, the roof is on fire. Feel me, colossal, beautiful, awesome. On top of the earth, the hurt is a monster, ugly. Don't come close, don't touch me. Don't you move my lovely deeper. Watch me rise, you sleeper. Oh, Mona Lisa, smile, use the main feature. Read the thesis, I'm so unique, bitch. Hit the media now, they wanna leak this soul.
Nobody thought I'd make it. The world called me loser, just a high school dropout. Young drug abuser, mama told me that the game's like this. I never listened, spent my childhood years in my neighborhood prison. The world don't give a fuck about the kids. I can see from the poverty and the evil shit they did to my young nation. Participation, more hesitation can turn lethal. When they don't love over young niggas, they turn evil. And burning people with no hope, there's no peace. So all my niggas start regulating on those streets. Busting the neighborhood scats and another drug war. There ain't no truth on negotiating with thug lords. Try conversating, but he won't listen. He said the world is a living hell for God's children. Picture I'm still in the field, doing like flip flute, while I'm staring at the world from my rear view. Staring at the world from my rear view. They caught me staring at the world through my rear view.